Hello yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga Krishna. I'm your Guru Krishna. So guys, as you know, we are learning a new yoga pose every day. Today also we're going to learn a very special yoga pose that's especially for who are very lazy, who are always feeling very lethargic. That's very good for that. So if you are one of them, then please watch and don't be so lazy that you can't watch this video. So please watch this video till the end. And if you like end of this video that you find it useful, then please go subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Then now don't do anything, now just watch this video till the end. So let's talk about what we are learning today. Today we are learning that's called Virasana, or you can say hero pose, but it's a variation number 3. It's a little bit advanced because we already learned 2 variations, and if you haven't watched that videos, then please go on my channel and then watch that the 2 other variation of Virasana or hero pose. So now let's learn this one and then we talk about everything else, like other benefits and who should not do it, age group, everything is later. Now let's learn it. So guys, let's learn Virasana number 3, or you can say hero pose variation number 3. So for that you have to be on your knees like this one, and just see this variation from here. You have to be this way, your both legs in starting like this one, and then we change the one leg, and then I show you how we're gonna do that. So first, be on your knees, and if you feel the pain in your knees while doing it, then please just little bit give some massage and give them some time to prepare for this one. And if your yoga mat is too thin, then please use a towel, as I'm using right now, putting under my this one, because here most of the I'll feel pressure here. And then first we do with the right leg. So hold your right leg like this one and go on slide like this one. See, front. My left leg should be on back side, the same condition that I showed with my both legs in the last time. And raise your hands like this one, and don't sit like this one, just little bit just like this one. And go and see one point in front of your eyes. Don't look just above, and don't look too below, just in front of, and just be in position at least 30 to 40 seconds, or go for the, you can go for 1 minute. And whenever you feel start hurting your knees, that you feel okay, now I can't be here more than this one, then please go to the first position and back straight. Keep in mind back straight, don't like go this one or to just right. So just be like this one, and whenever you start feeling uncomfortable, just go to the first position like this one. So this is do it 3 times with this right leg, and do it 3 times with left leg. So now let's do it one more time with the left leg. So first, just put here and hold this position. That's only we're gonna do it. Breathe normal. You can go breathe normal, and after some time you feel comfortable, you can just close your eyes and be more focused, like this one. Be more aware, and then slowly open your eyes and go down to the first position. And that's how we do Virasana or hero pose variation number 3. So guys, now you learn hero pose variation number 3 or Virasana number 3. So how many times you should do it? At least do it 3 times with each side, because you have to do with each legs, like right leg and left leg. So be comfortable, do it at least 3 times, and hold your position at least around 1 minute, and get the one point where you can concentrate, where you focus, and you can see continuously on that particular one point. So just mark a one point in front of you, and then just keep seeing that point without blinking your eyes. And if you don't blink your eyes, that means you start the tears start rolling out from your eyes. That's also very good for your eyes also. And now let's talk about the benefits. The first benefit, as I told you, is very good for remove your laziness. If you're lethargic, then it's very good for you. So please do it so you feel more active, more energetic. And also very good for your eyesight. If you have weak eyesight, very good for you. So just watch, do it at least 3 to 6 times. 3 to 6 minutes, 3 times with each side, so you will be 6 times altogether. And very good for the giving you good posture. and good for the concentration power, very good for the focus. If you lose your focus, you will just fall down. You can't be in that position if you lose your focus. And don't blink your eyes while doing the particular seeing one point, because that time tears start rolling out, and it's clean your eyes from the inside. So just do it. Now, who should not do it? Any kind of knee issue, because you putting so much pressure on your knees, so just avoid it. Rest they can do it. And last one, the age group. Age group is there no particular issue. Anyone can do it if they are the comfortable. And now the last thing, as I mentioned, please watch this video till the end. So you're watching till here, that's when you like this video. And now I want to request you, please, please, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get more video updates just like this one. Don't be lethargic here, just do it. Just remove it, just just release your energy, and just subscribe this channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll get more video updates. Share this video and comment section there. If you have any issue apart from this one, then comment in comment section. I'll try to make a video on that too. So that's all about today's yoga pose. Tomorrow also we will learn very useful yoga pose. So till then, bye bye, thank you, namaste.